All right, hello class. Welcome to LT.4.3b, conditional statements and negation. So let's go over a few examples of this. So consider the following statement. The dress is green. Check all the statements below that are negations of this statement. Okay, so we just want to negate that. So the dress is green, which means that not P is it's not green, right? Dress is not green. All right, so it is not the case that the dress is green. That's correct. So we can choose that. So check for that. And then the dress is not green. All right, consider the following conditional statement. If the sign is on the table, then the store is closed. Remember, a conditional statement is an if-then statement, okay? Conditional statements are if-then statements. So they usually are written like this: if P, then Q. So that's how you have it. You have one statement, which is the hypothesis. These are things that you got to know, right? The basic things. This is the hypothesis, and then this is the conclusion. All right, and then this means here, this symbol stands for implies or if then, okay? So if P, then Q, or P implies Q, all right? So that's the basic. All right, so if the sign is on the table, then the store is closed. What is the hypothesis? So the hypothesis is the P, which in this case, the P is this, the if P, then Q, right? So P is the hypothesis, so it's got to be the sign is on the table, okay? So the sign is on the table, that's my hypothesis. I'll just circle it. All right, consider the following statement. I am in geometry class. We want to do the negations, so that means I am not in geometry class, right? So this one right here, which hopefully you're in geometry class when you are doing this video, but you may not be. All right, so here we go. And it is not the case that I enjoy geometry class. No, that's not the negation. It's saying that you're not in geometry class. All right. Or if they said it is not the case that I am in geometry class, you would select that as well. All right, if I am drawing a circle, then I am in geometry class. So that's the conditional. So if P, then Q. So the conclusion is you're in geometry class, okay? So there's your conclusion. The hypothesis is you're drawing a circle, all right? So it takes care of that. All right, let's look at one more question. Consider the following statement. The water temperature is 75. So if you want to do the negation, then you say the water temperature is not 75. The water temperature is not 75. So we choose this one. It is not the case that the water temperature is 75. You would select that as well. All right, now if P, so that's my hypothesis, then Q. All right, so really straightforward. The conclusion then, the team is practicing. All right, that's going to do it for the video, guys.